But for my path, the expectation was I'd figure it out, which I did with scholarships and part-time jobs. For years, I kept performing, trying to find the magic combination of success and ease that would unlock that same unreserved joy. The real shift wasn't a sudden confrontation, but a quiet understanding that settled in my 30s. It was watching my own children, how effortlessly I celebrated every small victory, every clumsy drawing, every half-sung song, and realizing that pure, unearned delight was something I'd always been chasing. I finally stopped performing for an audience that wasn't truly watching. Now, I make sure my kids feel deeply seen, celebrated for who they are, not what they accomplish. I've built a life, full of people who truly see me too, who hear my quiet stories and celebrate my small victories with genuine warmth. It's a quiet strength, this life I've made, and it's truly mine, finally enough.